Hello, my name is Chris Tobias and welcome to the Meyer Sound ISE 2020 trade show booth. Today I'm talking to you about Spacemap Go. We've just released Spacemap Go. We have it here on the booth live for you to play with, and we also are showing this in our demo room. Spacemap Go is a full immersive system, spatial mixing, and it's all done from an iPad. So I'll just show you what we've got going on here at the iPad, and you can also see the matrix here in Compass, so you can actually see what's actually happening. We have 8 channels on this page. The Galaxy Spacemap Go is up to 32 channels, so you can flick through your channels. I'll just focus on the first 8 channels. What you can see here is on channel 1, we've actually got a space map that's running. So this is actually a trajectory that's running, and I can very easily stop that, move it around my space map, or I can then hit play again and then it'll run. I can also bring that into a focus channel, and if I go to channel 1, you can actually see I can edit that and very simply change what's actually happening, and you can see that happening live. You can speed this up, and I can also reverse it. Very easy, very simple. The whole Spacemap Go runs on our Galaxy platform. It's going to be a free firmware update. That's right, a free firmware update. So anybody that has a current Galaxy or is thinking about buying a Galaxy, it is an addition to your system processor. So Galaxy will still do all the system processing, but then the actual Spacemap Go will be an add-on to that. I'll just show you some of the really quick things that you can do. You actually have 2 different space maps that you can pan between. So you're seeing here that I'm panning between what might be overheads and side laterals. You can also quickly get to a focus page, and then we also have what you can come in here and load some predetermined movements. So for example, this is a front to back movement, and you can see when I hit play, it's actually moving front to back. Really, really simple. We have a lot of options in here that you can turn on different features. So as I go through, you can turn on and off different things that you want to look at. You can build your own space maps. What I'm showing here, this is a frontal system. So you can actually move between the frontal system. And again, you can see the matrix changing as I'm on Compass as I'm actually doing this. Really designed at quick, simple deployments. It is a spatial mixing platform that is built into Galaxy. You can find more information on our website, and please come and visit us here at the stand because we're showing this live.